actually the guys that are out there doing the work. But we also want to empower you to build a team to work with you and be a steward of your company and help you guys grow.
People are making changes all the time. So we have to be able to respond.
You can actually start living your dream. Your dream doesn't have to be this destination that might happen one day. Today is your dream, and it all starts with this.
And so reflection is critical in all of the elements and understanding the relationship between one and another.
Purpose-driven mission. When you have a purpose-driven mission, when you get knocked down, when you get off track, you will always come back up.
Highly recommend people to come to the boot camp.
Just gained a lot of value, learned about pricing, install techniques that you wouldn't normally hear about.
We're really glad we came.
I had a great time, and I hope I can come back next year.
There's no way you could come here and not leave with the tools to be successful in landscape lighting.